Everything is communicating all the time. The birds tell us when it's time to get up. And the seasons tell us what to wear. Dogs are forever posting comments. And no one knows what cats are saying, but no doubt it's very important. Even colors speak. Natural, carbon-free, and probably deodorant-free. Or fast, passionate, angry. Big teeth say, run. No teeth also say run. No tie says, I'm important enough not to wear a tie. And activewear says, I'm off to the gym, even though you're just going for a muffin. You see, communication comes naturally. It's easy. And at 2 Degrees, we want to keep it that way.